How to set up the embedded IC card reader B. Want subtitles in your language? Use the closed caption feature. To use the IC card reader, Internet Services settings are required. The system administrator should log into Internet Services and configure the settings. Open the package and remove the IC card reader and included accessories. Power off the multifunction device. Make sure the power is completely turned off before unplugging the power cord. Open the document feeder and front cover. Turn the thumb screw counterclockwise to loosen it. Remove the cover. Insert the USB cable into the IC card reader. Attach the IC card reader to the device. Make sure that the IC card reader is securely seated inside the tabs on both sides. Tuck in the USB cable through the hooks and insert it into the connector. Attach the cover. Turn the thumb screw clockwise to tighten it. Close the document feeder and front cover. Move to the right side of the multifunction device. If there is no USB cable, proceed to the step to affix the sticker. Remove the clamp and insert the USB cable into the connector. Align the sticker with the top left corner of the cover. Peel off the bottom sticker guide. Peel off the top sticker guide. Plug in the power cord and turn on the power. Select device. Select device status. Check the IP address and write it down. Turn on your computer and enter the IP address you wrote down. Log into System Administrator mode. Select Permissions. Select Authentication and Accounting. Select Advanced Settings. Select On for use of IC card. Select Save. The installation is now complete.